Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. My friend Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter, told me about these Crafter Squares Tempera spray paints. And being a mixed media fanatic like I am, sprays, 2 for $1.25. Oh boy, yes, please. They haven't come into my store. Should be able to find me the 4 packages that they have. So thank you, Sabrina. So I'm here to review and see how well they work. So we get 2 in each box. There are like a light pink, a dark pink. It looks like a purple, a darker blue, a yellow, and like a red, oranges, a green, and like a light aqua blue. So I'm going to test every one, and I'm going to do it on a piece of a book page and mixed media paper. So let's test them out, shall we? I'm all excited, guys, because if these work, they have not come into my store yet, but they have made it to a few people's. Joe from Have At It has found them. Now Sabrina has found them. And let's see, how many ounces are in here? 1.69 ounces. Good size bottles. Alrighty, I'm going to open them all and put them out on the table so you guys can see the colors. Come on. Scissors. And I'll show you the colors again real quick. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Sprays at the dollar quarter store now. Can't lose my book page. Alrighty. So let's get a better view of the colors before I start using them. They are a tempera paint, not acrylic. They're, I'll put that up there, guys. Just in case I'm saying it wrong. Can you see that? There we go. Alright. So we have like a lime green. Pretty. And I'll show you every color before I spray. How's that? Put these off to the side. They come in this nice bottle. Shake them up a little bit. Always shake them. So let's give it a spray. Nice spray nozzle. Ooh. You know what? I'm going to get me a clean sheet. Hang on. Because I might as well use it right in my book. Whoops. Here, I got this page already with some, we'll do it both ways. With some, I forgot what I was saying. Wow, this is quite a video, guys. Paste down with us through a stencil. So let's see. It's the spray nozzle, because it likes to not spread out, but that's all right. Let's go through a page. It's kind of stationary when it sprays, but oh well. All right, so that was the lime green. Good coloring. Lime green. Let's see, purple. Hey, with me, it won't matter. I love it already. So, ooh, I love the purple. Nice. Nice. Ooh, that is the purple. Purple. All right, we have the blue. See the difference of shades in the blues that's here? You can see one's a little darker than this, is more like an aqua, I would think. Ooh, I like that color too. I'm happy with that one. See, the spray I wish would be a little bit better, so it went, because you see how it really, yeah, I'd rather the spray be able to spray just a little bit better, but you know what? It works. So that's that one. This is the lighter aqua. They don't have the name on the, I don't see like blue or a name of each color, so on the bottle. Ooh, look at that color. Love it. with the butterfly. Nice. Them are the first 4. Then we got this baby pink, I'm going to call it. Very light pink. Pink's not my color when it's light, so, but it reminds me of an Easter pink, I'll be honest. Very lightly Eastery. Right there. Okay. Looks like Pepto-Bismol. It's pretty though. Here's the dark pink. This is my pink right here. When I think of pink, it's hot pink. I like my hot pinks. So let's go for it. Let's see if I like it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I love this pink. See how this one's flowing just a little bit? I probably will replace the nozzles on these. Just saying. Love that pink. Love, love, love the pink. The dark pink. The hot pink. I like the hot pink. And they're blending pretty well. Because look at this. See how they're blending together a little bit? Go like this. It's pretty. Alright. We have the yellow. Ooh, I like the yellow too. Yeah, I probably will replace the nozzle heads. It's the only thing I'm seeing that I don't like. Because it's not an alt-right spray that I would like. It's kind of thick. And it might be this paint too. I'm not used to this type of paint. So, it could be that. I mean, look at the little messy. But that's easy to fix. For spray for $1.25. It's awesome. Here is the orange or red orange, I'm going to call it. Ooh, like that color too. Look at that color. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So if these come in your store, I would grab them. Hopefully they come in mine because I'll stock up on these. Especially nice. Look at that. Like. So overall, I'm happy with them. Like I said, maybe it's the way I'm doing the nozzle and the paint. I'm not used to this Tempera paint. But let's see. Where's my brush? I got a brush here. If I can spread it a little bit with brush. Easy spread. I'm going to make a little bit of mud. I don't want to go too far. So let's do it. I don't want to wreck this page because that page looks cool. And look at this is my gig, okay? I like taking another book sheet and or paper and pressing on the first one I do it on, okay? And pull. I do a lot of pulls. There we go. So look how that did that. That's cool. I'm happy with that. Let's press down again. So you get more for the price of one, you know? You get different things. Kind of like jelly plating, except I use paper. See the back of that? Let's do some pulls off this one real quick. Pick up some of that color. Just a little bit here and there. And I turn these into a lot of different things. Awesome. Look at get some of that on that flower I got stamped on here because I was just putzing this morning. There we go. Look at that. Got even some of the stenciling I did on this page. So overall, I'm happy with these. I love them. Even the colors I didn't think I would like, I like. Like I said, the spray nozzle to me is a little off, but that could be me. It could be the paint itself because I'm not sure. But that's easy to fix. Bottles like that. Easy, easy. Because I've got a lot of spray nozzles. I save them all. So overall, I'm very satisfied. Like I said, you get 2 per package. Here's the colors again. Don't ask me where these were together, I'm pretty sure. Yep. So you get like an orange. Here, I'll use this one. You get this orange color. The yellow color. You see? So orange, yellow, the aqua. It's right here. It's pretty. The purple. Love the purple. Purple. And then you got the green, which is right here. Right there. You get this lighter blue. It's right here. The way light pink. And then the hot pink. It's right there. So overall, for $1.25 for 2 bottles of spray, who could go wrong? I can't go wrong. See, I got stuff even on here. I'll pick that all up. Let's do a test real quick. See how I got it right here? And I'm going to spray. So you're getting little learning videos from me too. And I put this down. And I just spray a little bit of water on my mat. And I pick it up. And I got it on there. So there we go. So overall, I'm very satisfied with these sprays. Here they are again. Not bad for $1.25. So, if they come into your Dollar Tree, pick them up if you need sprays. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope this review was helpful. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now, everybody.